Okay, so percentage change. We're going to record quite a few videos on percentage change, and we're going to make sure that we can do all the things we need to do with percentage change. Starting point is when you just have a single percentage change. Now that's going to be either an increase or a decrease. If we're talking about an increase, it's often money. Let's increase £250 by 17%. Now the way that we need to be doing this is the way we would do it with a calculator. Because I know with non-calculator you can find 10%, 5%, 1%, 1%, add them together, subtract it or add it on. You're fine with that. That's basic level and I know you lot have got that. This is the bit we need to be most working on. Increasing by 17%. So we're using multipliers here. It goes from 100% up by 17% to 117%. And this is where the multiplier comes into effect. We need a multiplier for 117%. Now remember, 117% means this, 117 per, which means divide, cent, which means 100, which is 1.17. You can put that into a calculator to be absolutely sure about it, just like this. 117 divided by 100. SD, you get 1.17. So 1.17 is our multiplier. If we're increasing £250 by 17%, we do one single calculation. 215 multiplied by 1.17. That's what you need to work out. Again, straight into a calculator. 250 multiplied by 1.17 gives you that, which is 292.5. Now remember, it's money, so it's going to need a pound sign at the front. Remember that money is always two decimal places. £292.50 would be the answer to that. That's the calculator technique. We're using multipliers because we're going to use these all the way through every single other type of percentage. Reverse percentages, we're using multipliers. Compound interest, we're using multipliers. Depreciation, we're using multipliers. And some problems that you've never seen before until the PPEs, which every single one of you got wrong, which are ridiculously easy, just no one told you how to do it. They also require decimal multipliers. So it's going to be really, really, really helpful for loads of different topics. What if it's going down? A decrease. Let's say we're going to decrease £79 by 2.3%. So yet again, we're going to be looking at the multiplier for this. It's a decrease. It starts at 100%, always starting at 100%. If it goes down by 2.3%, we need a quick look at a calculator. 100, if it goes down, that means subtract by 2.3. It's 97.7%. Starts at 100, down by 2.3, ends up at 97.7%. Now 97.7% is 97.7 per cent, per 100. So 99.7 divided by 100. Straight back to our calculator, divide by 100. Of course you can do this by moving the decimal point, which is what it looks like is happening. And we'll get 0.977. That's our multiplier. So if we want to decrease £79 by 2.3%, we use the multiplier 0.977. So our calculation then becomes 79 multiplied by 0.977. We put that into our calculator and it will tell us the result of reducing £79 by the 2.3%. So 0.977. 77.183. 77.183. Remember, it's money. It has to have the correct units, and it's always to 2 decimal places. So we are talking about £77.18. You check the 3 here to decide whether you round up or down. Of course you round down. So 77.18. That's how you apply a single percentage change. An increase or a decrease using a multiplier on a calculator paper.